Is it time to buy or sell MicroAlgo stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroAlgo. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, and we are here now to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 21st of April, 2025, our system has rated MicroAlgo as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.1. Now, let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is positioned within the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are expected. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 160.05% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 54.91% and 519.18%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of negative 26.13%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate from negative 100% to 1,559.16% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $196.78. Our latest daily update from MicroAlgo includes the headline, High Volatility in MicroAlgo Inc. Stock Price on Monday, which ended trading at $11.86. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock price gained 74.93% on the last trading day, rising from $6.78 to $11.86. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 88.84%, with a day low at $8.74 and a day high of $16.50. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 36.1% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 73 million more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 77 million shares bought and sold for approximately $914.77 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $509.60, and the lowest price was $1.11. Currently, the price is 97.67%, or $497.74, below the 52-week high, and 99.92%, or $14,288.14, below the all-time high on December 13, 2022, when the price reached $14,300. MicroAlgo shares surged to $17.15 following WiMi Hologram Cloud's announcement of an increased stake to 67.65%. This significant move underscores WiMi's long-term commitment, backed by a 10-year lockup period for all currently owned shares, which reduces the potential for short-term sell-offs. Such a consolidation of ownership can bolster investor confidence, suggesting stability and support for the stock, likely fueling further price appreciation in the near term. However, this surge comes amidst previous volatility, as highlighted by the recent fluctuating market conditions where MicroAlgo had also experienced a notable retreat prior to the positive news. Additionally, MicroAlgo's plans to issue new shares at 80 cents in conjunction with a $20 million convertible bond agreement raises questions about shareholder dilution. In the long term, while the increased stake from WiMi may enhance stability, the issuance of new shares could dilute existing shareholder value. Investors will need to weigh short-term gains against potential long-term impacts from this dilution. On a strategic front, MicroAlgo's advancements in developing quantum computing algorithms highlight their innovation trajectory, which could positively influence stock sentiment if these technologies translate into commercial success. Overall, the combination of substantial investment from WiMi and ongoing technological developments paints a complex picture for MicroAlgo's stock performance in the coming months. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to MicroAlgo stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio and price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for MicroAlgo. The stock of MicroAlgo Inc. presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is noted from the relationship between these two signals, as the short-term average exceeds the long-term average. On any downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $11.57 and $10.56. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Moreover, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indication. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Monday, March 31, 2025, and so far the stock has dropped by 51.09%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some additional signals that you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 228 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 42 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 29 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroAlgo. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, exhibiting high volatility. With a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $7.76 between its high and low, representing an 88.84% change. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 46.32%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for MicroAlgo, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we need to discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Established companies can also go through challenging periods, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, repeated negative P/E ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroAlgo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroAlgo is at $11.93. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below this point, indicating that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for MicroAlgo from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest trade took place on the 30th of September, 2024, when SBI Securities Company Limited executed an insider purchase of 0 shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.10, which reflects a decline of 6.44%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 14 days ago. Is MicroAlgo stock a good buy? several short-term signals, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for MicroAlgo Incorporated stock to perform well in the near term. We have updated our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong sell to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 22nd of April, we anticipate MicroAlgo to open higher by approximately 0.0506 of a dollar, starting at $12.37. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision solely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.